I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to do the facial rejuvenation to tone the muscle, especially the muscle around the cheek area. Like after 45 years old or after menopause, the estrogen dropped very low, so the muscle started drooping, and it's hard to cover the drooping muscle. If you only have wrinkles, it's fine, but if the muscle started drooping, it really shows aging. So if we want to do the facial rejuvenation, first we start from the foot. We start gallbladder 41 and or gallbladder 40, liver 2, liver 3. So we ground energy, and then we put needles on the hand, large intestine 4, lung 7, to prevent headache, because if you put so many needles on the facial area, it dilates the blood vessel capillaries on the face. It could possibly cause headache. So to prevent the headache, we started needling feet, hand, so that the energy move will not be just one direction to the face. Instead, it will move smoothly from one organ to another organ. So let's start with the yin tongue area, and that will relax the whole person. And then we can start with stomach 5, small intestine 18, and if people have eye bag, we can do stomach 2 or stomach 3, but this area is very easily get bruises. And then we could do yu yao to lift eyelid, and then gallbladder 14 to reduce the frontal wrinkles. And also we can insert small needles along the line so that it helps collagen 4 to regenerate. But we start with the body needles. So first start from yin tongue area. So thread needles along the area, but point the needle upward. So you try to relax this muscle instead of paralyze the nerves to reduce the wrinkles. It needs probably 10 to 12 treatment, but the skin color, the muscle tone will gradually get better. And this is stomach 4, 5 area. And then small intestine 18. So you can go a little bit below. This is the area where you can bruise easily. But the bruise does not cause any damage, nerve or blood vessels. It just didn't look very good. And those points, stomach 3, not only reduce the eye bags and black circles around the eye area, but also it can relax the muscle around the eyes so that it reduces the eye pressure to treat glaucoma, especially for the glaucoma with normalized eye pressure. And that's improved the circulation to the retina, so it can help to prevent macular degeneration. This is stomach 3. We can also try stomach 2 if she does not mind the bruise. That's even better. Then we can do gallbladder. No, actually yu yao. Point up to lift the upper eyelids. And then we can do the gallbladder 14. I like to thread needles. That way you don't have to put so many needles. But you can also point upward. And then we can do a little bit subcutaneous needles.